morning students, welcome to Gyaniketan online classes. Here I am with class 4 mathematics with chapter 6. Name of the chapter is factors and multiples. This is the 10th part of this video. Today's topic is question bank 2. In question bank 2, questions are given related to the topics that we have taught in chapter. First one is the fill in the blanks. The smallest composite number is 4. Dash is a factor of every number. 1. 1 is a factor of every number. The greatest prime number less than 100 is 97. There are dash prime numbers between 40 and 50. That one is 3. Four prime numbers are 41, 43 and 47. There are dash prime numbers between 1 to 10. That one is 4, 2, 3, 5, 7. Every non-zero number other than 1 has at least two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Every non-zero number is the greatest factor and the least multiple of itself. The multiples of 8 lying between 50 and 70 are 56 and 64. The product is called a multiple of each of the multiplicand and the multiplier. J. The only consecutive number which is prime are 2 and 3. K. A number has limited number of factors and unlimited number of multiples. L. The smallest odd composite number is 9. M. The smallest number you should add to an odd number to make it even is 1. When we are adding 1 to any of the odd number, it will be a even number. Question number 2. It is state whether each of the following statement is true or false. A. 1 is a composite number. False, because 1 is not a prime number, nor a composite number. B. 1 is the multiple of every number. 1 is the factor of every number, not the multiple. C. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 are the multiples of 4. False. When we are asking about the multiples of 4, then it starts from the 4. 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12 and so on. Then D. No even number is a prime number. False. Because 2 is a prime number which is even. E. The multiple of an every number is always an even number. So when we are multiplying the even number by any of the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, it will be an even number. So our statement is true. The multiple of an odd number can be an odd or even number. That one is true. G. Every non-number divisible by 10 is also divisible by 5. That one is true. Every number divisible by 2 is also divisible by 6. That one is false. Every number is divisible by 6 can be divisible by 2, but it cannot be, because some of the numbers that are divisible by 3 also. I. A factor of a number may be greater than the number. That one is false. J. Every odd number is not a prime number. That one is also true. Every odd number is not a prime number. K. A number which is not prime must be composite number. False. L. Because 1 is the number which is not prime but it is not composite. L. The common factors of 30 and 36 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. This one is true. M. To check if a number is a factor of the other, we divide. True. Now we have to find the factors or state all the factors of 54, 84, 144 and 196. Here I have solved only B part, rest of the one you can solve it by yourself. When we are dividing 84 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 12, 14, 21, 28, 42 and 84. These are in all cases remainder is 0. So these all are the factors of 84. Write all the even multiples of 3 between 10 and 30. So 12, 18 and 24 are the even multiples of 3. Write all odd multiples of 7 between 20 to 50. That one is 21, 35 and 49. Then you have to write yes if the first number is a factor of second number. Otherwise write no. So in this case what you are doing? You are dividing 112 by 16. If your remainder is 0, you are writing yes. If your remainder is not 0, you are writing no. So this one I have done for you. Find the number first two multiples of 3. First two means you are multiplying the number by 1 and uh, two common multiples. So 3 5s are 15. The 15 2s are 30. So 5 6 are 30. 32s are 60. So first of all you have to 5 4s are 20. 22s are 40. 40 23s are 60. So first of all you have to find the common multiple and then multiply 1 by 1, 2 and 3 and you are getting the rest of the multiples. Find the common factor of. Common factors means the number which is dividing both the given numbers. For 25, factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 40 and so on. So the common one is 1 and 5. So in the same way you can do the rest of the questions. Find the HCF of. What you are doing? You are finding the factor of 9. So factor of 9 are what? 1, 3 and 9. In the same way factor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So common one is 3. 1, 3. So 3 is your HCF. Find the LCM of. So LCM you are writing the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 5, 15, 3 6 are 18 and so on. The same way you are writing the table of 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5. So first find which one is the common one. 15 is coming in both the tables. 15 is the common multiple. That one is also called least common multiple and that is the LCM of 3 and 5. So in the 10th one you had circled the prime number. When you learn the prime numbers between 1 to 100 then only you are able to do the question number 10 and 11. So the prime numbers are 7, 17, 37, 47, 67 and 97. In the B1 prime numbers are 19, 29, 59, 79, 89. And in the question number 11, prime number, circle the composite number. A, 21, 51, 81 and 91. These are the composite numbers. That means it has more than two factors. B, 33, 63 and 93. Question number 12. So in question number 12, what you have to do? You have to find out the divisibility, how you are finding the number is divisible by 2, 5 or 10. So to find that the given number is divisible by 2, we see the unit place has 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. That is the even digits. If the unit place has even digit, then the number is divisible by 2. And for the divisibility of 5, we see the unit place as 0 or 5. If the number has 0 or 5 at unit place, then the number is divisible by 5. For divisibility of 10, the unit place has 0 only. Question number 13. Encircle the numbers divisible by 2. So what we have seen, we have to see the unit place. If the unit place has 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then the number is divisible by 2. So 36, 52, 88 and 876, 1394 are divisible by 2. Then encircle the number divisible by 3. So you are adding the digits 7 plus 8, that is 15. 15 is divided by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Then other one is 468, 888, 1671. Encircle the numbers divisible by 9. The same one, add the digits 3 plus 5 plus 1. That one is 9. 9 is divided by 9. That means 351 is divided by 9. 2052, 3735 are also divisible by 9. Question number 16. You have to check the divisibility and tick if the number is divisible by and cross if it is not divisible by. Only two questions I have done for you. Here 5 was given, that means odd digit, it is not divisible by 2. We are adding the 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5. So 10, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. That means this number is also divisible by 3. 5 is at the unit place, so it is divisible by 5 also. It number is divisible by 6 when it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Yeah, this number is not divisible by 6, so it is also not divisible by 2. The sum is 18. 18 divided by 9 is divisible. That means this number is divisible by 9 also. 0 is not at ones place. This means this number is not divisible by 10. Here in the B1, all this number is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6, 9 and 10, all the numbers. So do rest of the questions by yourself. Thank you for watching this video.